Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You want to start now? Check battery level and inspect the earphones for stuck buttons so you don't interrupt the shutdown. Locate the exact control, small power button, multi-function touch area, or the charging case latch, because the method depends on it. Once done, make sure your paired phone is within range and unlocked so you can confirm status changes. Knowing these basics speeds the process and prevents accidental resets. Now move to the actual shutdown gesture or press described for your model. You'll now execute the specific shutdown input. Press and hold the power button for the manufacturer's recommended 2-5 seconds to force power off, or perform the long press touch sequence if your model uses touch sensors. For true wireless buds, place them in the case and close the lid until the LED extinguishes. That instructs them to power down. Make sure to watch or listen for the shutdown LED or tone so you know the command registered, because that confirmation prevents leaving them partial. Finish by confirming the earphones are truly off. Check your phone's Bluetooth list to ensure they show disconnected or disappear. If they remain responsive, repeat the long press or use the charging case method. Sometimes a quick reboot of your phone clears ghost connections. If the earphones are still unresponsive to inputs, perform the factory reset sequence from the manual or let the battery drain, then fully charge. This resolves most stubborn cases without damaging the hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.